One of the most impressive aspects of the Serum Institute of India is the scale of the campus itself. In fact, it's not one campus, it's quite a few. The total acreage, approximately 100 acres. Think about it, 100 acres in several facilities dedicated to building vaccines, manufacturing vaccines that saves lives around the world. Joining us now, Umesh Shirsavkar is the Deputy Director of the Serum Institute. Thanks very much for being with us. We are in this fabulous facility, but this area is about the future, in a sense, of the SII. How are you going to be scaling up manufacturing in the area that we are at?
Yeah, thanks, Mr. Vishnu. We are into the facility we call Manjari facility, where the MSZ is being built for the various projects. So now we are looking with the facility which is specifically built for the upcoming any pandemic, so we can produce a vaccine in short span of time. So you can see the many areas as like MSZ1, MSZ2, 3, where the existing facilities are being built and at the various stage of qualifications. And on the right side of you can see the new building which is upcoming for the huge campus, which is one floor is around
for pandemics, right?
Yeah, this is for the pandemic.
This is interesting. Let the camera pan over here, because this is a facility which you were mentioning, and that this is so important. When we talk about pandemics, everybody talks now about COVID, but this facility will help design vaccines or produce vaccines for any pandemic.
See, this facility is having a ground plus 4 floor, which is itself is independent for the starting from the incoming material till the finished goods dispatches. So each floor has its own design to cater for the all requirement. Even we can manufacture the bulk over here. When I say bulk, it is a drug substance, and even we can containerize, like that is a DP, drug product. So we make drug products. Even there is a facility which is being made for the packaging and dispatches. So everything will be done independently into this building. So G+4 are catered for the warehouse, manufacturing of various bulks. Like if suppose there is a pandemic which we have to handle the very high category of virus or bacteria, then the design is made to cater that also.
Right. And I noticed that they are all called SEZs, many of these areas, special economic zones. Is that because of benefits that you get because a large amount of what you produce is actually meant for export?
Yeah. If you see the current dispatches, we are catering to the almost more than 160 countries. All the type of vaccine which it is not only for India, so we are exporting to the majority of the countries. So that gets the benefit of special economic zone which government is providing. So we developed this area also as a SEZ. We called the Hadapsar, which we have seen earlier, is a SEZ, and this is MSZ. It's a Manjari SEZ area.
One final question. Isn't it amazing what once began as a stud farm and a business associated with that is now a business of saving lives all over the world? And at what scale?
See, if you see the scale of manufacturing, currently we are manufacturing for the Covishield, it is around 2.4 million doses a day, which is catering from a single line. And now we are putting up, or at the various stage of installation, commissioning, qualification, there are another 6 to 7 lines which are under commissioning. So you can see, you can imagine, even with the 2.4 millions a day into the 6. So that will be the scale which we are going to produce in the upcoming future.
Wonderful speaking to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it, an idea of the scale of the Serum Institute, and that really needs to be stressed over and over again. There is no company, no vaccine manufacturer which manufactures this number of doses every single day, every single year, and that's something that's being ramped up, and that's tremendous, not just for COVID, but indeed for any other pandemic which may emerge.